Getting your equipment tested, calibrated and inspected in a timely, professional, technically competent and economical fashion can be challenging. It can be a real jungle out there. So we wanted to take a few minutes to demystify the compliance testing industry for you and let you know who's who in the zoo. When it comes to testing, calibration and inspection, there are three different types of companies: snakes, foxes and unicorns. We wanted to explain the difference between and how to spot the snakes, foxes and unicorns from a mile away. Snakes are the most sinister. Their testing, calibration and inspection is simply not correct, not accurate, sometimes completely made up. You can spot this by the reports issued being vague, unclear, lacking in detailed results, and strange traceability instruments listed. They will also be either extremely fast or extremely slow. So fast that your equipment cannot physically have been done properly, or so slow that you can tell they are a disorganized or lazy operation. They are probably outdated too, issuing paper reports and no way to access results online. They might even be messy and poorly presented. Snakes are dangerous, and in worst-case scenarios, they can kill. Foxes are better but still very sneaky. Their testing, calibration and inspection might be up to a respectable standard. They might even have some accreditations, but the rest of their operation is not good enough. Often they are inflexible, arrogant and not customer-focused. They put themselves as number one priority and you as a distant second. It's often their way or the highway, because they're only looking out for themselves and their bottom line. Jobs have to be done on their terms. They are under-resourced and understaffed to bolster profits, so you have to deal with poor availability and long lead times. Foxes are sneaky, cunning, and only look after themselves. Unicorns are the holy grail in testing, calibration and inspection companies, and there aren't many. Unicorns are all about customer service and putting the customer first. They work with you instead of against you. They have a long list of accreditations: ISO 9001, AS/NZS 4801, ISO 17025 and NATA accreditation. Unicorns also have great availability and resources because they put you first as their number one priority. If they don't have immediate availability, they'll work with you to find a solution to your needs instead of just saying no. They also offer a reminder service and full online asset register and report portal, meaning they are a full end-to-end solution. At Mobile Test & Cal, we despise the snakes and foxes in the industry. We bend over backwards to be a unicorn in an industry that so badly needs one and do backflips when our customers are happy. It's in our DNA, in our culture. If you are sick of the foxes and snakes and want to work with a unicorn, call Mobile Test & Cal today for a free consultation. Australia 1300 662 119, New Zealand 0800 123 682.